Hello, Julian. Welcome to Westbank Corp. I'm Charles Bott, and this interview is for the Leasing of Assets Associate position. How are you today? Please tell me more about yourself.
Of course, Charlotte. How are you? As you know, my name is Julian Rincon, or Julian if you prefer in English. I'm from Bogota, Colombia. I'm 37 years old, and I want to talk about probably my background and my studies. I have a lot of both. For example, in my studies, I start with a bachelor degree in finance and commercial and international trade. I study in Rosario University in Bogota, Colombia. So after that, I start to my master degree in Spain in a UPF of Barcelona in international business. And after that, I coming to Canada, to Toronto, to study my postgraduate in marketing management and professional sales in London College in Toronto. So this is more about my experience in studies, my preparation in studies. About my background, I have been working for two of the most important banks in Colombia, Bancolombia and Banco de Occidente. Um, in both of in these these banks, sorry, I have different position in leasing and renting, um, like an operational and commercial. Um, and I think I have a lot of experience and preparation for this position that you're looking for.
Great, Julian. So, for this online interview, I have some questions. For example, can you explain your relevant experience in asset or machinery leasing?
Of course, Charles. So, as I mentioned it before, I have 15 years of experience in two of the most important banks in my country. This experience is specifically in leasing and renting. So I understand the product perfectly and the types of leasing that currently exist, like leasing operational and leasing financial. Uh, Another point is the type of benefits that clients can have from the leasing and renting, and what type of assets can we can leave for our customers of the product. So, for example, we have renting or leasing for properties, leasing for technology as like software or hardware or license. We have leasing for machines, other for vehicles, and other types of machines. And I think we can offer many products, many assets for our customers. So I understand everything about leasing and renting.
Okay, Julian. What strategies do you use to identify potential leasing opportunities?
Of course, to identify leasing opportunities, first of all, I use financial analysts. For example, I love or I like to check the financial statements of every company to understand the structure of the company. And after that, I need to see what kind of or what type of leasing or renting it's better for the company. For example, leasing or financial leasing on operational. Um, but I need to check the financial statement first. Other is the data analyst tool to identify growing industrial sectors. And in addition, other strategy that I use, I activate I am active participate in industry in every event of the industry to learn for many companies and understand possible new opportunities in the market. that's my strategies.
Okay, now describe a challenging negotiation you were involved in and how you.
Okay, let me think. Okay, yes. I I was involved in a complicated negotiation with a customer that required a very specialized machine for packing Colombian coffee. And it was a very large machine. So uh, that we could only transport by in a container by ship, and the client was very urgently and stresses, so the pressure was heavy, was great. um, but this machine had to be imported from Italy, so we had to carry out the entire negotiation with the supplier in Italy and bring the machine to the facilities in Colombia in a very quick time. So I can manage the carry out everything without incidents, for the customer first, for the bank, for the suppliers. So everyone was was happy before after the negotiation, the transportation of the machine.
Can you give us an example of a successful leasing agreement that you have facilitated?
Yes, okay. One could be the one I mentioned it before. Other one, I once achieved on a leasing agreement for a logistic company in Colombia that need to expand the 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 fleets of the public transportation vehicles. So it was a big negotiation. For the strategic negotiation, we managed the offer done with a flexible leasing condition, that this condition adjust to their operation and financial needs for the company. Probably this agreement was one of the most significant negotiation that the bank made in 2023. That's the other one.
And Julian, the last question is, what software or tools do you know for managing leases and customer relationships?
Okay, I am familiar with some tools and software I use to manage lists, such ListWave. The name is ListWave. The other one is Visual List. Um, this is there are some software about leasing. In addition, I have experience in CRM, in a customer relationship management tool, uh, which allows me to maintain details, records of customer interactions and everything about the customers. But I think the most important is the office tools like Excel and Word. I think Excel is the most important for me. I use Excel for everything. I know to use the pivot table, the chart table, and everything. Every function that we can that I can use for manage our customers and the information for the company. So these tools make me the my my life more easier than the other tools. So I know many softwares, but I prefer to use office tools.
Thank you very much, Julian. That's all for today. Do you have any questions or concerns you would like to ask us?
Thank you, Charles, Bob, for everything. Yes, probably I have a couple of questions. This question is more to understand the business of Westbank Corp. So probably I want to know what kind of industries are the Westbank Corp focusing leasing and renting.
Generally, we are aimed at a wide range of industries and sectors, including construction, logistics and transportation, agriculture, manufacturing, energy, technology, among others. These sectors require different types of assets and machinery to carry out their operations efficiently and profitably.
Okay, understand. And how is the leasing associated performance measurable with within the company?
It is measured through the achievement of sales and leasing objectives, customer retention, customer satisfaction, meeting lease terms, effective management of lease portfolios, and contribution to the company's overall profitability.
Okay, and the last one is what opportunities exist for the career advantage for the leasing department?
Within the leasing department, there are various opportunities for professional advancement and career development. This may include promotions to positions of greater responsibility, such as leasing manager or leasing sales director, where you supervise and lead teams of leasing associates. Opportunities may also arise to specialize in specific areas of leasing, such as medical equipment leasing or financial leasing, through training and development programs.
Okay, interesting, Charles. Thank thank you. I think everything is clear for me. Everything. So thank you for the opportunity. So thank you so much and have a good one.